Hey everybody, this is Corey Mac, and today I'm going to show you how to make red velvet sandwich cookies. We're going to start off with 2 sticks of unsalted butter, softened. And to that we'll add 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of packed brown sugar, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, and then we're going to sift this. Next we're going to add 2 eggs. And we're going to mix this until it's well blended together. Next we're going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1 tablespoon of red food coloring, 2 teaspoons of vinegar, 1½ teaspoons of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and then we'll mix it until it's well blended together. And of course we're going to scrape it down the sides as well. Next we're going to add 2½ cups of flour, and then we'll slowly mix this together. And then we'll cover it up and put it in the refrigerator for about an hour or 2 so it can harden a little bit. Once it's hardened, then we're going to put it on a cookie tray. And then we're going to bake this at 375 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. Now we're going to work on the frosting. We'll start with 1 stick of unsalted butter, softened, 4 ounces of cream cheese. And we're going to blend these together. Next we'll add 2 cups of powdered sugar. And we'll sift this. And we'll slowly mix this together until it's well blended. Next we're going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And then we'll blend this together. And we're going to scrape down the sides as well. And then we'll blend it one more time, but I didn't record that part. Once the cookies are baked, we're going to let it cool for a little bit. And then we're going to take the frosting and frost the cookies. Once you're done, this is how yours should look like. They kind of remind me of those Little Debbie sandwich cookies. Really easy to make. They're very delicious. The recipe will be in the bottom of the description, so give it a try.